Hey friends, today I bought some art supplies. Let's see them. First of all, I bought this retractable eraser from Doms. It is just 25 rupees. Now I am going to open it.
Step by step, the clock is ticking, but there's no time for me.
It comes with 3 refills. One will be inside that pen and two will be outside. We can use it for the highlights.
Tonight, we will fly up.
And the next one is
We
Dom's Aqua Color Cakes. It is just 120 rupees. And it is so premium. Now I am going to open it. It will come with a nice glass box. I bought 24 shades of it. And these colors are so premium. And it comes with one brush. Synthetic hair brush.
feel like a dynamite.
Next I bought some Dom's brushes for painting. Now I am going to open it.
And I need you to hear.
It is 90 rupees. And there are 7 brushes.
From town to town,
4 are small tip and
I've been
3 are flat tip.
trying to protect.
And quality on this are so good. And they gave some plastic to protect the brushes from the damage.
We are heroes tonight.
And the next item is Artist Premium Sketchbook.
We will fly above the sky
This is 240 rupees
tonight.
and it is 160 GSM with 80 pages. And now I bought some Cameron brush pens. They are brush tipped. Now I am going to open it. Now let's go and open it. These are 24 shades brush pens. I am using this from 2 to 3 years.
I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette.
You can see it is 400 rupees and there are 24 shades in it. Now I am going to test this brush pens.
From London to Taiwan, I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly up.
These are so soft to paint and so satisfying when we are painting. And these are soft and brush tipped.
Yeah, we are heroes.
And this highlighting color is so good. And it is so satisfying to paint with it. Thanks for watching guys. I will come with new and exciting videos for you. Thank you for supporting me.